No one is enjoying that Promise Makunyane's husband has moved on more than Owami. Every opportunity she gets, happy birthday, Beyonce, Beyonce, happy birthday, Beyonce. Like it's a very new level of petty that has yet to be unlocked by Angel Mtaka herself. Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami yomuntu abakadadi bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-anti bomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims, that's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, Mswari Kamukhala, I've got you covered. Hit the number on your screen down below. Today's video is brought to you by Lily Body Butter. Okay, if you have a little one struggling with eczema, Esetu has got you covered because she, as her mother herself to a baby with eczema, had this experience, and this is why this amazing idea dawned on her that she can create something that can help other mommies. Take a look.
Hi management, I'm Esetu and I'm a mommy to a little angel called Lily. She was born premature and at 2 years old she developed eczema, and I tried everything that the doctors recommended that I could find, prescription and over the counter, and nothing helped. Her eczema was relentless. I decided to go natural and I created 100% natural organic body butter that has helped her so much. If your little Lily is suffering from eczema, is staying up at night crying because of the itching, the redness, the swelling, I've decided to share this with you so that it can help you too. I'm launching it on the 30th of January, but it is available in pre-order, and we've got 2 body butters available. We've got one for the lilies, which is the Lily Baby Butter, and then we've got one for the mummies as well, which is the Lily Body Butter. We look forward to hearing from you.
Hit Esetu up. I will leave all the details in the description down. Oh, sorry, Christmas, guys. I will leave all the details in the description box down below. And if you are coming from management, you are going to get a 20% discount. Another plug, another plug, another plug. Guys, the beef between Owami and Promise will definitely never end. Even their children and their children's children will speak about it in the history books, because tell me why, ever since Lawrence Makunyane found a young thing, he is now posting on social media. Promise has now left us with a problem because this man is on social media and we thought he was too busy running businesses to be posting, according to what Promise told us. Now we are seeing that no, he definitely has time and he's posting all over and showing us his new lover. But so Lorenzi, guess who is enjoying all of this? My colleague and sister in commentary, Owami. Owami, guys, once wamnyathela icons, you will pay with your life, because she keeps showing us why she will never stop beefing with Promise. I need to Promise was the first YouTuber emhlabeni to go and get Big Guy's side of the story. She felt like it can't be Owami who can speak about the end of her marriage alone. She needs the other side, like a Big Guy. And then she drove all the way to Free State to interview Big Guy to get his side of his story.
This thing is about Big Guy, and I told him, well done. Well done. Gone are those days where men are going to be shy to speak up. I cannot even believe that Big Guy was being spoken about, even YouTubers, even everywhere else, but nobody was coming forward to help him. It took 3 long years for me to enter the chat and have this conversation, but people say, oh, it's so sad and this man is being abused, but what did you do about it? After when this thing went live, I sent him the link. I was like, well done, Big Guy, well done. Most men are being shut down. Most men are being threatened. I could not believe that Big Giant was scared of me, thinking that I was sent, thinking that,
she wanted to change the narrative that we as the internet had of a Big Guy. And then Owami said, what? from now until forevermore. You will pay for going to my ex-husband. And when I tell you, Owami is posting video after video, TikTok after TikTok, like it's gonna go down in the history books as the longest lasting social media beef. Aibo, ayisende sana, ayisende sana. Ngithi, we are about to eat Christmas food. We are about to say Happy New Year. We are about to say 2026. Ngata, Huisi, Yenina, Penny Libiani has entered the chat. And can you remember when Peltis was talking about the flashback she had about her and DJ Waras having cuddles at the hotel? Penny Libiane stepped in and said, keep your cuddles to yourself. Yes, sis. And guess who was in the comment section laughing? Yeah, Mapimpi himself, the man with the most famous voice after Melusi Kikaba, Prince KP. He was like, wow, 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 laughing, laughing. As if we don't know that his voice, 350 and can feed a family of 5. What up, Prince KP? It's just that you're hot, but wrong. Yeah, Penny was not impressed by Pearl Tussi's speech and was like, keep your cuddles to your damn self. Yes. Pearl, Yaban, even your fellow colleagues, they are not happy, Pearl. No one is happy with that cuddle story. I just did a video about your cuddles. Now, look at you. Look at you, Pearl. Hi. Pumpkin guy. Hey, bad. Wait. Guys, one thing about talent, no matter where you are, no matter where you go, no matter the circumstances, if it is God-given, it will always shine through. And Kelly Shebi is going to be spending the rest of the festive under the jail. No, deservedly so, guys. That man is facing 9 counts. 9 counts. He has done the most insane things out there in the streets. So the law has decided to keep him under the jail. But worry not, because inmates and the prison warders are benefiting. I am not sure. Do you hear my words? I am not sure if this is AI or this is really happening, because we live in the era of AI and pictures look so real. Can't they are AI? It seems like he's already taking prison bookings. Yeah? He is booked fully in the prison halls. He's giving them hit after hit, ship after ship. It's good and well, and it's in a safe and controlled environment. And here we are guaranteed that he's not going to beat anyone, because they will show him fire. They will show him a smart if he ever tries and attempts to do anything crazy. No, Shibi, I really want to feel bad for you, but I can't, because you know what you did last summer. You know, as long as you are doing what you are doing under controlled environment, he's okay. Ah! Julamo, Shuti, happy birthday, Beyonce, Merry Christmas, whatever, kanjalo kanjalo. Guys, our office, clearly, it seems like it's not going to be closing down this year. We are going to be doing videos until, yeah, stationary, school fees. I'm a single mom of 3 and an ex-wife with no alimony. So, I'm a keka sendleni.